Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any exciting news and updates from me. First of all, let me just say congrats for you for clicking on this video. You've just taken your first step towards positive change. If you are someone who's always on the hunt for self-development and personal growth, you are exactly in the right place. Have you ever found yourself focusing solely on the negative aspects of your life, overlooking the good stuff? Trust me, I did. And you are not alone. But why does it make you feel bad? And why does it feel like bad luck never comes alone? The answer is simple, because we pay attention to our struggles, but not our triumphs, not the good stuff that happens in our lives. And that, my friend, is where people often feel stuck and powerless. But don't worry, I've got you. And coaching helps us to exercise this struggle, and this exercise is going to flip that attitude and make you walk down the street with a smile on your face. So let's dive into a glimpse of what you can expect from today's transformation coaching. And let me tell you this. This exercise is something that I use oftenly with my clients, and it is a very good and efficient exercise. And it is called life wheel evaluation. Before we begin, I promise you that this is a safe and confidential space. And this is an exercise that you will do with yourself, so no one has to know all the details that you want to share with you and with the exercise itself. This exercise dives deep into your aspects of your life and makes you feel like, secure is crucial here. The life wheel is divided into 8 predefined categories that can be customized to fit you. Here's how it works. First, evaluate if the categories align with your life. Second, score each life aspect from 1 to 10. Remember, this is a judgment-free zone, so be honest with yourself and give the right rate for each aspect of your life. Color in each sector according to your score. The more fulfilled you feel in an area, the fuller the color. Now step back a little bit and look at your colorful life wheel. What do you see? How does it look for you? And here is the magic from coaching. These are some follow-up questions that can really make you feel surprised and make you feel that you need to think about it seriously. What is surprising you to this life wheel? What areas do you think that needs improvement? What do you think that it's holding you back since now? How would you prioritize these areas? Where would you start? Who can support you on this journey? What's missing for a perfect 10 score? And don't forget, after you finish this exercise, you need to take accountability. Choose one area and set a measurable goals. List 3 actions, at least 3 actions, that you are going to take and when. It is very important to be specific in this action planning. If you feel like you need guiding in optimizing your life, in optimizing the planning that you need to do, feel free to leave a comment below or book a free session with me and we can discuss in details. This is just the beginning, and I've got a tailor-made program for you that it is based on transformative coaching.